everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and today I have our ensuite reveal. I've been doing a little bit of decorating and a couple of DIYs, and I think I've finally finished it. It definitely is not the way I had originally planned to do it, like the color scheme and all that is definitely not the way I had originally planned, but I think I'm pretty happy with the way it's turned out. So I'll take you through and show you everything, and I'll tell you where I've bought it or if it's a DIY. So I'll give you a little overview first, and I apologize if the lighting's a bit in and out. It's very hard to film with this big window right in the way. So that's our bath area. Then this is our double sink, so we've each got our own sink. Oh, that's a bit bright. It's a bit better. Then we have our shower over there. Through that door there is our toilet, and then we have our hanging towels there. So we'll start, I guess we'll start where the toilet is, because that's a bit boring and there's not much done in there. So it's just one single toilet in there, and that's just a little bit of wall decor. That's one of my DIYs that I've just done. You'll find that on my channel. It's probably the last video I've done before this one's gone up. So that's just a little DIY I did there using a Kmart placemat and some Kmart faux plant leaves, and also a couple of faux flowers that I've had for years and years. So I just thought that kind of just ties in the black and green theme into this room, because there's not really much happening in here. And then coming out of here onto this wall, I have a couple more of those little DIY wall decors. I just wanted to sort of tie in the black and green from the bath area over into this area. And so we've got my husband's towel and my towel. Actually, there's a white towel missing there. There's supposed to be my white towel on there. And then the shower area, nothing really exciting in there. We just have a couple of little suction hooks there holding up my husband's loofah is the black one and mine's the white, with some exfoliating mitts and my razor and just some extra products down there, and a little shower nook in there. Then onto this sink area, bath mats, they're both from Kmart. So we've got our sink area here, and this little faux plant is also from Kmart. I just have a little Kmart glass tray in the center here holding some of my face products, mostly Nivea, because I just love Nivea. This little candle here is from Target. I just really love the little container it came in, and then that's just a reed diffuser here. And then these two little hand towel things, they're actually the Kmart jewelry holder, but I just, I don't know, I've seen, like, I mean, in America they can have all those sort of hand towel holders, but I've never really seen any here. So you've probably seen in one of my Kmart hauls when I hauled these, and I said I was going to use them as just a hand towel holder. So I've got one on each side, one for my husband, one for myself, and then we've each got our sink on each side. Nothing too exciting. I'll give you a little squiz in the cupboard. So this is my side of the cupboards. Yes, I know it's product overload. I'm a hoarder of products, but I love them. So I basically just store them in some plastic containers. The first one there is all my hair care, or those sort of two open ones there, they're all my hair care. Those two boxes are just overflow. Then this one here is all my teeth care, and this one's like body and face for every day. So that's in that cupboard. Then in this cupboard here we have all our bath towels, and then all the cleaning products for the bathroom I keep in here, just so that I'm not traveling up and down the length of the house to grab all the stuff, bringing it all down, dragging it all back. So each bathroom has its own cleaning caddy. It has all the products that we use to clean, well, that I use to clean the bathroom and all that sort of thing. And then our bath towels here. Now I have one little tip for you guys. What I do is I keep, these are fabric softener refills. I mean, you've all probably seen them in the shops. I actually keep one of these one in every wardrobe, and anywhere where there's towels or sheets, whether they're in drawers or in cupboards, I'll keep one of those, and it just keeps all the towels and everything smelling really fresh. And I just keep it at the back there. Like, it's all tucked away, you can't really see it. But yeah, it just keeps all your towels really fresh. And I also keep one in my car as well. I just find it leaves a nicer fragrance than the hanging up air fresheners that you can get for the cars, and definitely lasts a lot longer. So that's a little free tip for you guys. And then that's my husband's side. He's basically got the same organisation set up as far as all the containers and baskets, but he just sets his up however he wants. So I don't really go in here for his stuff at all. So that's his side. Then for the side that I'm most happy about, and that's the most decorated, is my bath area. It's a little overview of my bath area. So I'll take you and show you what we've done. So on this side, just got my husband to put up another towel rail so that there's towels there on hand when we step out of the bath, and those towels obviously are all Kmart. Then down here, we've just got some bath products. So these three little canisters, they're all from Kmart. They're like the lolly jar canisters, and in each one of those, in the creamy coloured one, I have milk powder. In the pink one is Himalayan crushed up rock salt, and then in the white one, that's the Kmart bath powder. So all of those things you can throw in your bath, and it helps to soften your skin up. So, same with the milk powder. I don't know if any of you guys have heard of that, but you can actually put milk powder in your bath, and it's actually supposed to be really good for your skin. Just think like the Cleopatra milk baths. That's pretty much what it is. Then here I've just got a little tray, little silver tray that I found at an op shop for like 50 cents. And on that I've just got all my Body Shop Shea products, which I really love. That's probably the only fragrance, like actual body mist type fragrance, that I'll actually wear. I used to be right into perfumes, but I'm just not really into them anymore. But that's like the whole range of the Shea from the Body Shop, which I really love. And then this vase here again from Kmart. The white rocks are from Kmart, and the big palm leaves, they're also from Kmart. I think the palm leaves were about $3 each. The vase was about $9 maybe, or $10, and the rocks only a couple of dollars. So then on the bath itself, if you've subscribed to my channel and you've seen a few of my videos, this was one of the DIY videos I posted a couple of videos back, and it's actually making use of the Kmart shoe rack. I actually converted it into a couple of bath trays, so one for this bathroom and one for my kids' bathroom. And I just used the side bars that were on that shoe rack, and I've added a little bit of length to the shelf just to make it fit our bath. So yeah, that's another DIY on my channel. I'll leave a link to that one in the description box below if you're interested in seeing how I did that. And on top of that, I just have a little IKEA faux plant, which was about $4.99. That's a body scrub from Kmart. That was only like $2 or $3. That candle is also from Kmart. I think they were maybe the $6. And then this little setup here, this is all Kmart again. So I've just got a little Kmart hand towel, the Kmart massager body brush, a couple of faux fern leaves at the back, and then a couple of the Kmart body bars. They were the coffee and charcoal body bars. So that's my little bath caddy. And then in this corner here, I also have another Kmart vase. It's actually, well, it's probably not really a vase, it's actually the Kmart jug. It's in the kitchen section, but I'm just using it as a vase. And then there's another Kmart body scrub down there in the chia seed oil fragrance. And in that vase, I've just got a couple of faux flowers. Now these flowers I've had for, over 10 years and they're still going. And I actually used, I had 2 bunches of these, and one of the bunches I used in the wall decor that I've just did with the placemats, and then the other bunch I've used in here. And then in this corner here, again, a couple of other Kmart bath and body products. So we've got the hand and body wash and the hand and body lotion, and they were both in the chia seed oil fragrance as well. And then last but not least, up the top here is the Kmart circular shelf. It's actually the obviously it's the black metal circular shelf, but it came with a rope hanging part, but I just swapped out the rope for some chain, and that chain's actually a dog collar, believe it or not. I got it from Bunnings and I just thought it was a piece of chain, but when I brought it home, my husband said no, it's actually a dog collar. So yeah, there you go. I just swapped out the rope for a dog collar and hung it up on a chain. And then on the actual shelf itself, I've just got that tiny little black vase. There is a milk pourer from Kmart. That was about $3. And I've just got a couple of faux little white flowers in there. And the tea light candles, they're probably from like a $2 reject shop type shop. I can't remember exactly. This long hanging faux plant was from IKEA, and I got that in my recent haul. And then on this shelf here, I've just got a couple more of those body bars from Kmart, some Kmart bath fizzes I've just stacked up there, and then that's just a little candle on there. And then on that bottom row there, I've got a few of the Kmart bath bombs, and they're only $3 each. So yeah, that's pretty much my bathroom setup as it is at the moment, and I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, it definitely wasn't the sort of style I was originally going for. Like I was going to try and bring in the sort of country farmhouse type vibe into the bathroom as well, but I just found it a bit difficult because the bathroom's so modern and new. I just was finding it wasn't sort of gelling really well. So yeah, we just went for a bit more of a spa-like modern sort of feel, I guess. So yeah, and I mean that's my bedroom there. But yeah, I mean I haven't finished my bedroom. I still need to put something up on that wall there. But as you can see, it's sort of more of a French country type vibe to the bedroom. And but yeah, I don't mind too much. Like I actually like coming into this and sort of having it like a little bit of a spa oasis, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty much all I had to show you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, maybe subscribe to my channel because I've got quite a few more ideas up my sleeve yet. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.